we did say that even the girls from the other schools are here to watch, including the current players. You know why she's laughing? Because that's the second time we caught her eating. Siguro yun ang sinasabi niya, nahuli na naman ako.
O baka, hindi ako pumasok today. Nahuli rin ako.
Maru Paratikla from the Tigresses here in attendance. I saw her taking pictures with a lot of the fans earlier prior to the game. Part of the great crowd that we have here at Volleyball Central. Boom Gonzalez together with Mosey Ravenna, ABS-CBN Sports, live and exclusive coverage of the finals between Ateneo and LaSalle. LaSalle with a 1-0 lead already here in the finals.
Bill Cainglet this time through the blockers, challenging Maraño. And Esperanza, she takes that point.
Cainglet said, yung dalawang finals ng buhay ko nangyayari ngayon. Yun ang sabi niya sa akin.
Academically and,
yeah.
of course dito sa volleyball.
Great save by Galang. Lazaro puts it back. And a easy over. Esperanza goes back to the rookie. And she puts it away.
And with a fadeaway hit, Galang gets that point.
What confidence. And I love how Esperanza keeps going to her, Mosey. Let's go to Tiff Atendido now from LaSalle.
Well, maybe everyone is wondering how a coach like Coach Ramil motivates a team like LaSalle. Well, I asked him and he says he goes for correcting mistakes. He says mistakes cannot develop into habits. He says, but that's not to say rather that he doesn't give compliments. Kasi for a coach, ayaw niya na pag pinupuri mo yung girls, they stop there. They need to continue growing and improving. Now, with two rookies starting for LaSalle this season, Ara Galang and Mika Reyes, did you know that Mika Reyes used to be a blocker lang talaga considering her height? But with patience and rigorous training, she easily improved and now it pays off as she starts for LaSalle and plays beyond her years. Meanwhile, the youngest of the team, Ara Galang, coach says, considering she used to play in the province, iba yung motivation talaga sa kanya. Shy type pa, kaya kailangan i-encourage talaga. But when she's really in the zone, coach says he's very proud of her, especially in their last game against Ateneo when she picked up her pace and won the 5th set for the team. Now, with a younger team compared to Ateneo, coach says he reminded the girls rather to keep in mind na wag magsawa sa ginagawa and to really play with confidence. Boom and Mosey.
Thank you very much, Tiff. Well, that's a typical Ramil de Jesus story, though.
Yep.
We've seen a lot of her girls, you know, from first year to the 4th year to the 5th year, develop and blossom into all-around players, or at least to reaching their full potential.
But you know, boom, Ara Galang is somebody special.
Oh, yes.
Let me tell you,
question.
this girl. And speaking of in the zone, I think today she is in the zone.
Parang hindi rookie, ano?
Exactly. Ako, mas expected ko pa na medyo may nervous, may ano, but you know, she's just playing so well.
You know what? The two rookies here have been delivering. They're putting on a show for the veterans.
Phenomenal.
Look at this.
Look at the wind-up, goes down the line.
We have some special girls on the floor right now. We're going to see them in the next 4 or 5 years playing here in the UAP. As Ateneo's down by 1. Bukot.
Just too tall.
Power tip by Michelle Gumabao gives them another 2-point lead.
Perfect timing by Michelle Gumabao on that power tip.
And the angle goes right and then turns to the left. That's the girl that Tiff was talking about earlier also. Mika Reyes. Chance for Ateneo. So they go back. Off speed. Great save by Galang. Gumabao again. Lazaro with a good save this time. Valdez was going for the angle. He was going for the front line. But this girl, Mika Reyes, is just too tall.
And she just read that well. Look at her. She had that space. They had that space so that they cover a lot of angles. Yes, this time. Ito nga si Reyes, really just so smart and at least at the net.
It's a great play, but checked again. Oh, Jem Ferrer on a 50-50 ball. Ateneo looks like they're scrambling here. Oh, great save by Cha Cruz. This is why she wants to be a libero. It's situations like that want to, you know, and a point, yeah.
Yes, they get the check. They were asking for a check, a little bit of
Let's look at that play again.
Yeah, referees just making sure that it was really a check ball.
It's tough to look to see in that angle. But the lead again is for LaSalle.
Diyan pagka ganun, ang hilig kanila mag-drop di ba ginawa na natin sa ensayo? Abangan nyo na dito sa gilid, Phil. Pag humahabol ka sa bola, drop, huwag kang lumuhod muna. Nakaluhod ka kaya pag tumaas yung bola, hindi mo mahabol. Hanggat Isa lang ang pinapaluan ng player natin, yun lang. Kaya hindi sila nahihirapan bumlak.
LaSalle in the lead by 4 points. We are at the arena in San Juan. Brother Bernie.
Is that Ricky Zaide
beside Brother Bernie? Here at Volleyball Central. For live coverage of Ateneo versus LaSalle. LaSalle a set ahead and ahead here by 4 points. Can anybody stop the L train? Ateneo has their chance.
Again, Eliza Valdez going down the line. Pero in that last timeout, Coach Roger was saying palaging dun yung binibigay ang bola. That's why it was easy for De La Salle to read your attacks. But ito, one blocker for Eliza, not enough. As she scores another one.
Confusion.
Miss Q on the side.
Rare.
The Spikers.
It's rare today, today.
At least the first total miscue. Siguro they were trying to go for a combination play.
No miscue there. No miscue there. Look down below. Mika Reyes puts it away.
And again, Mika Reyes, one of the much awaited volleyball player in the future. Hindi nga, baka next year lang So you see her with a solid middle hit.
Ngayon pa lang. Good combination play by Ateneo.
Maraño trying to save it with one hand. Not enough.
She goes back to the back line though because she serves now. 12 serving 14. Valdez taken by Maraño. Gumabaw. Vasho back to Kainglet. Maraño saving it with one hand. And then Cruz will send it over for a free ball. And they go back to Phil. And it's sent back. Oh, that went over the net. Ateneo got lucky. Ateneo got lucky.
Yes, that's right. Lucky break. Overset by Jeff Ferrer. And look at this point.
Oh, Nakachi did not commit to it.
Yes.
Parang fake lang siya eh. He did not commit to it.
Yan ang always problem with the middle hitter. Yan ang mga coaches, they will always remind that when you go in, make sure that you look like that you're going to hit the ball. Otherwise, wala eh, fruitless.
It's a waste of energy, a waste of movement. Lazaro takes it. Back set to Hervasio, single block, and that's all it took. But this play is still alive. Reyes puts it away.
Easily. Reyes again in the middle with that, which is a power tip. Right smack in the middle of Ateneo's defense.
Michelle Gumabaw now. 15 serving 13. What a serve.
That's it. Hervasio going down the line.
She's going to be key for this team.
That is correct.
Nakachi and the rest of the Lady Eagles can't seem to break through. Can't seem to get over the hump. 1 point, 2 points.
Will tie up and then yun na naman ang LaSalle.
Hervasio again. Gohing scrambles. Steady as always. Cruz sends it home. And another 2-point lead for LaSalle and a technical timeout back in a moment.